In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create math notes in Notion. If you are taking classes, tutoring, or just organizing your study materials, having clean, readable math in your notes makes a huge difference. Notion supports LaTeX, which means you can write professional-looking equations right inside your pages. I'll show you the simplest way to add big, clear formulas, and then a quick keyboard shortcut that speeds everything up. Start by placing your cursor on a new line in your Notion page. Type /, then the word math, and press enter. The moment you do that, Notion creates a large, centered equation block. This block is perfect for standalone formulas, things like derivations, proofs, or any expression you want to give space and emphasis. Inside that block, you can type LaTeX directly or paste LaTeX that you've copied from somewhere else. As you type, Notion renders the math for you, so you can immediately see what your expression looks like. If you are new to LaTeX, think of it as a simple markup language for math. For example, typing \frac with braces creates a fraction. \sum gives you a summation, and \int creates integrals. You can include subscripts and superscripts with the underscore and caret symbols, and group terms with curly braces. Notion updates as you go, so it's easy to spot typos. Missing braces or reversed slashes are common culprits. If something doesn't look right, check that every opening brace has a closing brace, and that you are using backslashes for commands. Now, when you are working quickly, say during a lecture, or while reviewing problem sets, you'll want a faster way to open that same equation block. Use the keyboard shortcut on Windows and Linux. Press Ctrl+Shift+E on Mac. Press Command+Shift+E. That instantly opens a new equation block, just like the / command, without breaking your typing flow. It's a small trick, but it adds up when you are creating multiple formulas in a row and want your notes to stay neat and consistent. To recap, the / command is great when you are clicking around and building a page, while the shortcut keeps you in the zone when you are typing non-stop. Either way, you'll end up with polished, centered equations that make your math notes easier to study and share. That's it for this walkthrough. Practice a few times so the motions feel natural, and your Notion math pages will look sharp and professional. Thanks for watching.